In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update the BIOS for this particular MSI model. Keep in mind that these instructions are also going to generally apply for any other motherboard model that you have, even from different manufacturers. So follow along, and all that you need is a USB drive. It needs to have enough storage to hold the BIOS files. Thankfully, they are very small. I recommend formatting the USB drive beforehand if possible. So what you have to do is go over to the official MSI website to acquire these files. You can look for your particular motherboard model, in this specific case the B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi. You can look for this on Google or visit the website and use the search function. Now, when you reach this page, click on Support as you can see at the top, and you should already see the BIOS file here. If you don't, go to Drivers and Downloads and then choose BIOS. Now, download the latest BIOS available. If you need additional instructions, they also have a video here. Now, when you download this file, usually it is going to be a zip like this one, so you just right-click and extract it somewhere. Grab the BIOS file and drop it inside of the USB drive's storage. As long as it is loaded into the USB drive, you will be good to go. Now, you have to insert this at a specific USB port at the back. Usually, it is going to be marked, so when you put the I/O shield or I/O plate on, there will be a rectangle highlighting it and saying it is the BIOS specific USB port. But it appears that for this particular model, you don't need to use any specific one, so just make sure that it is inserted at the back, and now press this button. You will have to press and hold this button for about 10 seconds or until you see some sort of LED indicator flash. As long as the USB is inserted into any of these parts and then you press and hold this button for about 10 seconds, you will be able to start the BIOS update. BIOS Flashback allows you to do the update without even accessing the BIOS, and I highly recommend it over the BIOS method. You will know when it's finished because the lights will stop flickering on and off, and all that you have to do afterwards is power on your PC. Let this process finish. It shouldn't take more than at most 15 minutes and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.